Harmful microorganisms. In harmful microorganisms are indeed helpful to life. However, some of microorganisms can cause diseases to humans, animals, and plants. Such disease-causing microorganisms are called pathogens. Students, in this video, we'll discuss about such harmful microbes. Disease-causing microorganisms in humans. Pathogens may enter into the body through air, water, food, or by direct contact with infected person. The disease that pass from infected body to healthy body and cause diseases in a healthy body are called communicable diseases. Students, let us discuss about airborne diseases. Common cold is a viral infection. During sneezing of a person suffering from common cold, fine droplets of moisture spread in air, each of which contains thousands of viruses. These viruses may be transferred to healthy body during breathing and causing disease in the body, like coronavirus. So students, the infected person must be used handkerchief while sneezing and the healthy person must kept away from the infected person. Some other airborne diseases are tuberculosis, which is caused by bacteria, measles, chickenpox, polio, common cold are caused due to viruses. Students, spreading of airborne diseases can be prevented by keeping the patient in complete isolation and by keeping the things of patient away, and can be done by giving vaccination at the suitable age is also helpful to prevent the harmful diseases which is caused by airborne diseases. Is it clear? Waterborne diseases. Cholera, typhoid, polio, hepatitis B are caused due to drinking of water containing pathogens of respective disease. Cholera and typhoid are bacterial infections, whereas hepatitis B is viral infection. To prevent its diseases, we should maintain personal hygiene and good sanitary habits. We should eat properly cooked food and drink boiled water. Vaccination also helpful to prevent the waterborne diseases. Students, diseases transmitted by carriers. The organisms such as housefly, mosquitoes, which carries pathogens are called carriers. Pathogens present in garbage stick on to the body of housefly. When the houseflies sit on uncovered food, pathogens get transferred to the food. Eating such food causing diseases, for example, cholera. So it is advised to keep food covered and eat food that is covered. Similarly, if you observe in housefly, example of Anopheles mosquito. Students, these carries parasites of malaria. Female Aedes mosquito acts as a carrier of dengue virus. We can control the spread of malaria or dengue only by keeping the surroundings clean and dry. We can prevent mosquitoes from breeding. Students, all mosquitoes breed in water, hence one should not let water collect anywhere in coolers, tires, flower pots, etc. Students, to avoid the spread of mosquitoes, we can take measures like using of mosquito net and repellents, spray insecticides and control breeding of mosquitoes by not allowing water to collect in the surroundings. Yeah, students, common diseases affecting to humans. Their mode of transmission and few general methods of preventions are given in the textbook, page number 24, table 2.1. See students, some common human diseases caused by microorganisms. Human disease and microorganism caused, mode of transmission and preventive measures in general. Please go through the table, which is very important for the competitive exams and even for the CBSE board examinations. Disease causing microorganisms in animals. Look at the screen students. Robert Koch in 1876 discovered the bacterium Bacillus anthrax, which causes anthrax disease in animals. Students, some of the microorganisms not only cause disease in humans but also they causes diseases in plants and animals. For example, anthrax is a dangerous human and cattle disease caused by a bacterium. Yes, students, anthrax is a dangerous disease, human and cattle disease caused by a bacterium. Foot and mouth diseases of cattle is also caused by some viruses. This can be prevented by vaccination. Yes, students, now look at the disease causing microorganisms in plants. Some of the microorganisms causes disease in plants like wheat, rice, potato, sugarcane, orange, apple and others. These diseases are reduce the yield of crops. In order to control these diseases, we have to use some insecticides. So students, observe the table on the screen. Plant disease in general, citrus canker. So bacteria caused, this is caused by bacteria and transmitted through air. And rust of wheat caused by fungi and it is transmitted by air and seeds. Students, next a very important disease in plants is Allovine mosaic disease. So this is transmitted through viruses. It is an infected disease. It is also transmitted by insects. So this all can be prevented by only by using or spraying insecticides. Is it clear, students? Yeah.